Hi everyone, good day. It's Lucius Delicacies, your number one food and recipe plug. So today we are making white yam and fish sauce. So here is me boiling my fish. I just boiled it with just seasoning and onion to get it a bit tasty before adding it to the tomato sauce. So here is me boiling it. It's covered. And then to my white yam, I've peeled it already, added some salt to the water, and then the water has boiled. It's time to add my yam to the water. Make sure your water is boiled, although some people like just putting their yam inside the water, then inside the pot, add water, and then they are cooking it. For me, I like to boil my water first, add some salt, and then put my yam. I prefer it that way. I don't know why, but I just prefer it that way. And here are my ingredients for my sauce. I have me some onion, I have thyme, I have curry, I have green onion, I have this mixed spice here. I'll be listing the combination of the spice in description table below. So my fish is ready. Let's move to the ouch. God, I was so scared here, but we move on. I added my ginger paste, my onion. I'm gonna fry this a bit. My kitchen smells so nice. So here is already frying. I added a little bit of my curry powder. Stir it together. Stir. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I beg you to please do like this video and leave your comments. Alright, here is me adding some thyme to my frying onion. And then I'll be adding some of my fresh pepper mix. It's a combination of tomatoes, fresh bonnet pepper, and bell pepper. I'm going to be dropping the measurements as the quantity to be used or that I used in this video in my description table below. So here is me adding it to my frying onion. It's a bit watery, so I'll need to fry this for let's say give or take. I need to fry this for 6 to 7 minutes to get the water out of it before adding other of my ingredients. And please watch my other videos. I have tons and tons of videos in my channel, and all the recipes there are so wonderful. You need to watch it, and then like I said, leave your comments in the comment section. So here is the water has dried off a bit, and now I'll be adding my other spices. I'll be adding my mixed spice. And then I'll also be going in with the fish, our main ingredients, the star ingredients of this meal. Wow, guys, look at these. Oh my god, like the aroma in my kitchen right now, it's so heavenly. Really, you need to try this recipe. It's really nice. You can use this sauce to eat yam. You can use it for spaghetti. You can use it for white rice. You can use it for even noodles. You can use it for different dishes. For people that love eating eforiro, you can use this sauce to eat your eforiro. It goes very well with it as well. Yeah, and here is me adding my spring onion. This is the last part of this video. After I add my spring onion, I stir it and then I turn off the gas. The sauce is ready. And my yam has been ready since, so now we need to start plating. Oh yeah, the sauce was a bit stiff, so I had to add a little bit of water just to loosen it up a bit. And we're done. Let's plate and eat. All right, delicious lovers, this is me signing out, saying see you in my next video. Take care of you. Have a nice day. Have a blessed week. Bye bye.